Want to block someone on TikTok but not sure how? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it and explain the benefits of blocking someone on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to the search icon at the top right. Type the username or name of the person you want to block. Once their profile appears, tap to open it. Now on their profile, click on the arrow icon to the top right corner. From the options, tap on Sure, Block. TikTok will ask for confirmation. Just tap Block. What happens when you block someone? They can't view your profile or videos. They can't comment, like, or message you. You'll have more privacy and peace of mind. Benefits of blocking. Avoid harassment or unwanted messages. Protect your content. Stay in control of your audience. TikTok supports user safety and provides tools like block, report, and privacy settings to protect your account. Use them when needed. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and follow for more TikTok tips.